Start a photography blog. Many people earn a decent income from having a photography blog. Why not you? Bloggers make money through ads and sponsored content. If you're an adept writer, another way to make money is to start your own photography blog. You can make tutorials, share tips and tricks, or write reviews on all kinds of photography gear and software. How to make money with a photo blog. Seriously, if you can engineer a popular photo blog and build good traffic, you won't have to worry about ways of making money. There are many ways to monetize a photo blog. For example, use display ads by Google AdSense. Google AdSense offers all kinds of ads, including text-based ads, video ads, link units, and display ads. In-image advertising. Again, if you are not overly touchy about the aesthetics, you can use in-image ads with your images. There are a number of in-image ads, companies like ImageSpace Media, Ads and Images, GumGum, Embed Anything, and the likes. You can try some of these services and stick with the one that works best. Use the gallery as a portfolio. If you are posting your own work on your photo blog, you can always use the gallery as a portfolio to get some freelance work. For example, a photography job at local events or functions, offer photography training courses, or get a freelance web or graphic design job.